Hi, Manatee. It's Mrs. Kublank. It is time for us to read a great story, a book about manners called Do Unto Otters, not others. Do Unto Otters, like the animals. And it's written by Laurie Keller. Okay? And published by Henry Holt and Company. I want to make sure we recognize them too. Do Unto Otters, a book about manners. Remember, this is the cover page. This is the spine. It keeps the book together. Very important to have a spine. Then our title page. And here we go. Doop-de-doo, 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 donk.
Hello, Mr. Rabbit.
We're your new neighbors, the otters. Otters? Otters? My new neighbors are otters.
I don't know anything about otters.
What if we don't get along?
Pesky otters. Lousy rabbit.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit,
I know an old saying, do unto otters as you would have otters do unto you.
what does that mean?
It simply means
Treat otters.
the same way you like otters to treat you.
Treat otters the same way I'd like otters to treat me? Hmm,
How would I like otters to treat me?
how would I
Like,
otters to treat me? Well,
I'd like
otters to be friendly,
mhm, a cheerful hello, howdy neighbor,
a nice smile,
and
good eye contact are all part of being friendly.
friendliness is very important to me, especially after my last neighbor, Mrs. Brrr, voted
Oh, meanest neighbor of the year. Oh my goodness.
I'd like otters to be polite. They should know when to say please.
Have we heard that word somewhere before in another story?
I bet Chick would know the answer to that one. Yoo-hoo! Mr. Rabbit, would you please return my ball there? Pretty please. With carrots on top?
Would you like rude? Would you like me to stop stinging you?
Yes, please. I can say please in 5 languages. Por favor,
That's in Spanish.
s'il vous plaît,
That's in French.
bitte,
That's in German. I'm probably not saying that right.
Japanese is kudase,
And Pig Latin, easy play. I'm sure I didn't pronounce that incorrectly. I'm sorry.
say the magic word and I'll turn these clams into $1 million. Magic word rhymes with cheese.
You know when to say thank you. I think Chick would know that too.
I can say thank you in 5 languages. Gracias, merci, dankeschön, arigato, and anik, anik, anikate ode. That's Pig Latin too. Did you say please or cheese?
This is a really funny story.
And they should know when to say,
Excuse me. That's important too.
excuse me, excuse me. Oh, Miss Otter, excuse me, Mr. B, I need to run and check on something. I can say excuse me in 5 languages. Oh, I'm not sure I can say these. Oh, you know what? I know I can't say these. Oh my goodness. Excuse me for interrupting your reading, but I heard you say please, not cheese.
Otters should be honest.
That means they should.
Keep their promises.
My word is as good as gold. Fish.
Not lie.
I never lie. It makes my whiskers itch.
And not cheat. Cheating makes my whiskers itch too. I wonder if I should see a doctor. I'd like otters to be considerate. You know, being a good listener, that's being considerate. Asking before borrowing something, especially between brothers and sisters and brothers and sisters and sisters, that whole thing. Not littering, being patient. Hmm. How about caring for all creatures, big and small? Opening the door for someone. Have you done that lately? Have you opened the door for someone? Being considerate. How about being on time? Oh, that's a hard one too. Respecting the elderly, helping neighbor untangle ears. Looks like rabbit ears. It's always good to have a considerate neighbor. Mhm. It wouldn't hurt otters to be kind. Everyone appreciates a kind act, no matter how bad it smells. I guess that would be kind of smelly. Oh, and what's that word? Cooperate. Otters should learn to cooperate. Cooperate. Did someone say operate? Cooperate, to work well together. That's what that means. We know how to co-otterate. Otters would want to say that. Co-otterate. I see otters like to play. I hope they know how far. I hope they know how to play fair. Come on, you two. You won. Whee! I'd like it if we could share things. Our favorite books. Harry Otter. Get it? Harry Potter. And Goldilocks and the Three Hares. Not Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Two great books. Our favorite activities. Otter Totter and Go Fish. Okay. Our favorite treats. Maybe not the treats. Carrot pizza? Fish Sundays? Oh, I hope otters won't tease me about my dooty dooty doo song, my extra large swim fins, or my bad hair days. Get it? Hair? That's another word for rabbit. Hair. I hope otters won't tease anyone about anything. Teasing is mean. It's the worst. It's worse than having a clam snap shut on your nose. I think otters should apologize when they do something wrong. I'm sorry I used your ear as a tissue. And I hope they can be forgiving when I do something wrong. I'm sorry I called you Snotter. Oh, you. So, there. That's how I'd like otters to treat me. Uh, you see, Mr. Rabbit, I told you it was simple. Right. Just do-de-doo unto otters as you would have otters do-de-doo unto you. The end. I learned a lot of great things to do in this story. Do unto otters, a great book about manners.